Ready? I'm gonna take a video, okay? Go ahead.
What? He's a bar. He's all over the computer right now. Well, this one's quite relaxing. Take a video, honestly.
Come on. Hello? Mickey! I'll go with you.
Everybody's what's down there. Watch this. Hey.
Please, run out.
Let's go.
Mickey, come on. Come here.
Oh.
Mickey, doing it.
Yeah, pick him right up. Oh my gosh.
Go.
Mickey, come on. Oh. Okay.
You're gonna do it? Ready?
Okay.
Okay, go.
You're right, he says.
No. He's all set with being all wet. Oh, Nikki's out there. Roll down the hill. He just wants to run. It's a good idea to run too. You want to run with him?
Nay.
Run.
You don't want to go, Will. Mickey, ready?
Look at him move. He's got some speed now.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be like a track runner. He is.
Micah, you gonna go down there?
You gonna go down there too? Oh my gosh. All our kids are playing in the rain tonight. You have a partner in crime. You guys are so cute. Whoa, you almost knocked right into him. What the heck?
Don't let him in the house to shake. You have fun in the rain?
Ready? Do some more. Come on. Come on, Daddy. Go back.
Go get him! Get Blitz! Get him! Get him!
What are you doing with the dirt? The dirt has to stay there, buddy.
I don't think right
There's
now
no poop.
it's time to build
No,
the
no, you don't do that. Dirt's got to stay there, Nikki. Hmm.
Hey. I'll hold the video.
Yep.
Your turn. He's on
I just
camera?
got in dry clothes.
So did I. I even took a cold shower. Now I'm all rain wet. We having fun in the rain, boys?
Yeah. Yeah.
Micah.
I just only got wet. I just only got wet, that's all, not dirty.